MACTRONIC Black Eye is a compact-size rechargeable LED torch that is packed in an elegant box. High-quality aluminium construction makes it durable and resistant to external factors. A manual also contains a warranty card. Despite its compact size, it gives bright 420 lumen focusable light with a strobe mode. It has a tactical switch for more convenient usage, as well as a clip and a lanyard for easier transportation. It is powered by a single 2200 mAh accumulator included in the box. Additionally, the set contains two chargers, 230 volts AC and 12 volts DC car charger. The white filter allows for scattering of light.